Kabalan. Teka ko. Suso. Ay.
Uy, ano yan?
Oh, yes.
Gusto ko kagad tenga.
Suso.
Tenga. Gusto ko kagad tenga.
Suso. Awalan tayo. Bicol Express. Yay. Ay, vlogging ka na. Ako na. Ice cube, buko panda, pineapple juice. Going down to
Mas maraming residential Olongapo.
SBMA.
Uwi na tayo?
Pero yung
Pupunta Centrum.
Punta lang muna sa direct sa DBS.
sa DBS.
Harbor
Point, dati na yan.
Pakuha lang ng picture. Sabay gano'n.
Maraming taxi, may taxi siya eh. So alam niya.
May malaking ano rin, Aurora Hotel, oh.
Oo, yan. Pagkakanap ko
May store na pangalan Army Navy.
Army Navy.
Hindi na.
Pero yan ang pangalan.
Pagkain.
Pero noon.
Ayun yung kaso.
Spanish Gate. Ito yung Spanish Gate.
Ang original gate.
The rate, tsaka yung ano. Di ba dito yung, dito yung tower?
Talaga.
This is bye-bye. Bye-bye, Pierre. Bye. Ayan, dyan tayo pa-picture. Yan ang gusto ko.
Oy, one way ito. Bakit nandiyan kayo sa
Inaanohan to ng mga artista rin eh.
Yan ang gusto kong puntahan. Yan, tapos Pierre, Ellen, oh.
Yan ang gusto kong
Tayo,
picturean.
magpipicture tayo. Teka, magpipicture tayo. Okay, we are in the old pier where used to be the base. This is where all the ship was parked before. And of course, the sign of Subic Bay. Asa Seni? Welcome to Subic Bay, where all the ship was docked before. There you go. It's Rosie, my best friend.
Finally, you're back home again. This is where we hang out back in the days. Where the ship's going and
Bye.
thank you for the pizza shakies.
Bahay noon.
Yan ang main
gate.
Jollibee.
I-hit mo lang yung red. Oy, nakaano ka na. Pasa mo na lang pala sa akin.
Jollibee.
Main gate.
Hindi, marami na rin.
Yan ang main gate.
Oh.
Pero noon, yung wala pa noong Jollibee system.
Main gate. And the SM Mall right here. That's where this is where I used to live. This is where I grew up.
Ginawa siya.
Lot 21, lot 21, lot 21.
2018.
Okay, this is the mall now. We're the land of this mall. This is where I grew up.
Ang trakel ito noon.
I grew up here.
Kami bumibili ng furniture sa taas.
Ano?
Oh.
Magsaysay!
Itong magsaysay. Yan ang
We're
sentro.
magsaysay,
You remember,
volleyball.
Shani? Naririnig ko yan magsaysay.
Magsaysay, Boulevard, where you left me behind.
No more magsaysay. Wala na.
Wala, dyan, sa DBS sa kaliwa eh. Right side, ay left side, ang DBS.
And, nung may base pa, hindi ganyan kabisi.
No, ganito na, pero hindi,
ganyan
hindi
pa rin.
one way ito. Dati walang. Hello, we've been gonna doing a sunset dinner on the boat. Sunset cruise, I guess that's what it's called. Ay! Nakapatay, teka. Pa ako. Ah! Jenny! We're the only one who is not wearing white. That's Beach. Hello, Beach. Hi, Rose. Okay, this is gonna be the food. I don't know what we have, but I like that. Please. Here we are. We're moving now. And that's the sunset.
It was, I think, that boat.
Ay! Yeah, oh.
The valley?
I know, huh? No, I got everything in here.
Dapat may ano eh, na may nakanek.
I have one, it's in the car.
Sana yung...
We're gonna wait.
How long this trip? 2 hours? 2 hours.
That's what they say. We're gonna go out and then to the other. Right now we have the Thailand Navy.
Thailand? Oh,
Taiwanese.
Taiwanese.
Ang cute naman na ano nila ng kabab.
Kausap mo, Rosie. Sabi ko, kausap mo. friend Rose's house. We are in the top of the roof. Kubo in the top of the roof. And as you see, there is malunggay. I'm gonna be picking malunggay later. We're gonna be picking malunggay. And there's a bathroom. And look at this. Check this out. Whoa. Coconut on top of the house. Look at all this coconut. And the neighbor has a lot of mango. Look at this ninja mango. More coconut. We'll be picking a malunggay. Yeah. Look, I got some malunggay. Look at that. Passion fruit.
Halos wala nang naiwan. Utang pa ako. Mag-exit tayo ng Marilao.
Marilao.
Pero nasa 2 kilometers na lang yung ano natin.
Saan?
2 kilometers.
Yung hotel natin.
Yung data na singit pa naman eh.
Bakit ayaw nila magbigay?
Akong bahala dyan, tita.
Oo. Sigurado ka, bahala ka ha.
I'm the hero here.
There you go. Kasi kanina ka pa naka-stop eh.
Walang bigayan dito. Kailangan makapal ang mukha mo.
Kapalan ng mukha.
Ay, hindi pala. Lakasan ng loob.
Ano?
Yeah.
Pelak mo.
Magbabangka sakali sila
Yun.
na bubuksan yung pinto. Okay. Sarap ng tulog ko agad dito. Kaso para may likod ko matigas eh.
Ayun na nga eh, para tayo.
Ano sa Dalmonte?
Okay. Welcome to Metro Manila. Pilit mo pa, Brad. Give me 2 months. Kung hindi uubra to, Friday kasi ngayon.
In Bulacan, on Eugenia sa resort with Senny's family. This is the food. Fresh tilapia. Oh, rami.
Rami.
Bangus. Kabit kayo, kinet. Ay. Kanyaman, bagok. Ay, bata pa eh.
2 years old.
Hello guys. Enjoying your picnic. This is Senny's hometown. Bulacan.
Nilagyan ko ng yelo. Kasi masyadong
Excuse me guys, I just woke up. Been a long flight. This is where we stay. In the Eugene Resort. Sorry about the mess. This is the outside. Look like a nipa kubo. And it has a long patio. And he has a table. Hello. And this is the whole unit. This is the whole unit where you rent it in. It's like a house. And this is the bathroom. The shower. It has a hot bath. Kitchen. If you want to cook. And the back door. The back door. So and the swimming pool. Yes, the 7 dwarfs. This is Alseni's family. They were singing karaoke. And it's gated area, so it looks like it's safe. And that's the whole unit we have rented for the night. Of course, we had foods. I think this is what we had left over. Everybody's drinking alcohol, ha? Salamat po, ala. Sunny.
Hello po. Hello po. Hello. I'm from Mapaliki,
Kapamang.
Pampanga. I'm here to visitor to my sister. I meet her. Hello. I miss you so much when you come back here in Philippines.
Alright. Thank you.
Hindi po mag-English. Salamat po.
Pinakagwapings. Ng panda ng Santo Niño.
Santo Niño.
All one. Because nag-English.
Pakita mo yung English mo rin yung ponso. English po kanina. Ayan na yan ha.
Ang sabi nga yung tatay ko.
Parang ano na siya, parang Amerikano. Oo, Amerikano. Sabi daw na tatay niya, tita, huwag na daw mag-aral. Kasi marunong daw siya na mag-English.
Yun ang okay.
Oh, thank you.
Well, this is Alseni's family.
Naisip niya rin. Mami Dun.
Mami Dun, sorry.
Sandi po ng Alfonso yan.
Oh.
I'm sorry, boss.
Nakasalip na po nga ala. Ay, hindi ba? Enjoy naman.
Yeah, enjoy. Enjoy, pero ingat din po.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's the car that we've been using, and it's called Adelan Transport. Car we've been going around from Baguio, Pangasinan, Iba Zambales, Bulacan. Then tomorrow we're gonna be heading to Kada Casino. And then we're gonna be heading to Bangkok, Thailand for 3 days, back to Manila, and then we will be staying for Manila for 4 days and head back to US. Thank you. Have a good night, guys. Guys, I'm so tired. So we are here with a friend in San del Monte, Bulacan. There's all my friends, courtesy of the chef. We're eating all the food we had. We're having food. This is the Bulacan drone. He's the human drone of the Bulacan. So, it's a family gathering. Ayan po, luto niya, sisig at paset, napakasarap. Of course, kare-kare.
Sa international